Ahoy, I'm going to teach you a really simple, what do I even call it, way to adjust the decimal places. So let's say I have the number pi. Okay, so that's going to be really long. All right, it's an irrational number. And I want to change the number of decimal places. So I can actually do it like this. If you come to the menu, to the home menu tab, and you look at these two characters, these control how many decimal places, right? So this increases it, this decreases it. All right. Actually, you know what's interesting? I just noticed this. Pi is not an irrational number in Excel. Look, it hits 0. Huh, how about that? Real pi should be, what is it, 7 on 3? 7 on 3 from memory? No, not 7 on 3. What's pi again? Pi is the circumference divided by diameter. So I'm going to have to calculate that one day. But yeah, interesting, huh? So anyways, to reduce the decimal places, you just use this one. You keep clicking it until you get to no decimal places, right? And you can keep increasing it. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. See you at the next video.